Hello, everyone, and today we're going to be talking about how to improve our research habits using a method of research called the Big 6 model. Um, my name is Colin Stevenson. I'm your librarian here at the school, and our purpose today is to learn how to independently navigate information resources in order to perform more effective research. So, the idea being that at the end of this, you're going to be able to use any resources that you have for class assignments or just to learn and fact check things for yourself. And then you can apply those things in class or at home for whatever you may need. So, in addition to that, pretty much all standards for what you guys as students should be learning are covered through either state or national standards, such as TEKS 11B, which works with research and understanding how to evaluate sources, or for Common Core, making sure how we use sources that we've determined are valuable, that we can connect to our ideas, or ISTE Standard 3C and AASL Standards 4A3 both talk about using research in order to demonstrate our understanding and making sure that the research that we actually pick to use is stuff that furthers our understanding and is something that can be applied both for our own learning and for coursework. So, to get you a little bit ready for this conversation, the Big 6 is a model that's used to process and solve information problems. And so, you're going to start, of course, with figuring out exactly what it is that you're actually doing. And then, ideally, by the end of this, you're able to look back at your own work and evaluate whether or not you were successful in your research process. So, to keep it simple, research can often be really overwhelming and scary to get into. But the Big 6 is meant to break all of that scary research stuff down into manageable pieces. So if you make your way over to Blend Space, you'll find a 5-question pre-assessment on there. It's just going to help you evaluate your current research habits, so make sure that you're honest so that we have a good sense of both where you are at when you approach an assignment for a research task like this one, and it lets us know how good of a job we're doing at helping you feel prepared for research tasks after having gone through this lesson. So you can complete that first. So, to help you get ready for the conversation, remember that research is a key component of all learning. If you're able to learn how to do research, then you're able to teach yourself. And if you can teach yourself, you can learn anything that you want. And because research is so intimidating sometimes, the Big 6 is a model that we're going to use to make it a little bit more manageable for you so that you feel more well equipped to go about and manage your own learning. And so on BlendSpace, after you complete that pre-assessment, there will be a couple of resources that give you more insight into the Big 6 research process and help you understand exactly what it is that you are going to do. So you can work on that, and then you can navigate through those resources, and then we'll have a conclusion video at the end.